What are the most used exterior house colors? Dear friends, the house is looking a bit drab these days. So, you're thinking about sprucing it up. A new coat of paint, or hey, a whole new color might do the trick. But how can you make the best decision possible when choosing that new color? In general, most people tend to play it safe with their choice of house color. They tend to pick colors that are light. Today, and in recent history, white is the most popular trend in home coloring. White is almost always a sure thing as it's a clean color that shows up well and has the potential to be personalized with vivid borders. When taking shutters and trim into account, white and blue have proven to be household favorites for years. The combination makes sense as white is already popular on its own and blue is such a versatile companion. There are hundreds of shades of blue, all of which match white well. Deciding among them depends on two main factors. One of these factors is your preference, along with the mood you're trying to create. The second depends on your climate. In the south, bright vivid blues work well in the more open and bright landscapes. Up north, deeper gray blues fit into landscapes populated by evergreens and match the skies of the seasonal weather. Other popular colors of house exteriors are cream, beige, yellow and light-hued versions of gray, blue and green. Among darker colors, brown is quite popular. You may want to keep a few things in mind when you're choosing your exterior paint color. While it's okay to stand out and have a look of your own, you certainly don't want to clash with the surrounding homes. Not only will this hurt the value of properties in your neighborhood, but it could also result in disgruntled neighbors. Light trims are good for reflecting the sun's heating and lighting effects. Also, if you have a large home on a small lot, as is the case in many tight suburban subdivisions, light-colored homes can make this size difference even more dramatic. Darker tones can help balance the home and land. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.